Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy Turvy Recipes. Today I am going to make hotel type chicken curry. How they make in the hotel? That's how today I am going to make. I have taken the masalas here. You can see this is roasted dhania, jeera and red chilies. This is tomato which I made it into a paste. This is ginger garlic paste. This is onion paste. All this masala I will use for the chicken curry, hotel type chicken curry. Friends, I have taken 1 kilo chicken here. You can see it's washed out and kept. So come on, let us start the recipe. Friends, I'm going to put mustard oil. I'm going to make the curry in mustard oil. I have taken garam masala, you can see, and some bay leaves. This I will put in the oil when it turns hot. I have chopped up some onions. This also I will put to fry. Friends, the oil is turned hot, so I will put in the garam masala and the bay leaves. Chopped onions also. Friends, the onion is turning brown, you can see. Now I will put in the salt. I will put in the ginger garlic paste. Now I will put in the chicken. Friends, now I will put in all the masalas which is left. This is the onion paste. This I have put in. This is the dhania, jeera and red chili roasted, made into powder. This I will put in. Put some saffron, turmeric powder. Friends, this is the Kashmiri mirch powder. This I am putting. This will give it. Friends, I am frying the chicken along with the masala. You can see. Friends, the chicken is fried up with the masala. You can see. Now I will put some chicken masala. This is the chicken masala. Mix it well. Now I will put in the tomato paste, the puree which I made. This also I will put in now. Yes, now I will add some water. Friends, I have put in the water. You can see the curry is cooking. I will put some coriander leaves. And cover it up. And let the curry cook. Friends, hotel type chicken curry is ready. I hope you all will like this recipe, this curry. Thanks for watching my video.